Hey, Foodcast listeners. Heather and I have a contest coming up. Stick around to the end of the episode and we'll give you all the details. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to episode 35 of the Foodcast. Hope everyone had a nice Valentine's Day. Heather?
It was full of love.
Oh, yay.
Oh. You know what I really like, though, this year? I've heard
Wow.
Galentine's Day a lot.
Oh, I don't know if it started there, but Parks and Rec, Leslie Knope started.
Is that it? Okay. I think that's fun.
It is fun. Yeah. And it's it's always the 13th, the day before. So you can have fun with your girlfriends before your love. Yeah. It's cute. Okay, that's creepy. Did you know though that the candy hearts with the notes, they didn't have those this year.
Oh.
I don't know if you've noticed out.
I guess I didn't really pay attention because I bought different things.
Yeah. So the company who makes those, I think it was Necco, went under, and the company who bought them didn't have time to spin up and make any.
Oh.
So yeah, I was like, oh, I mean, I don't like them anyway because they're just weird.
I wish they would make them in a flavor that
it's supposed to be vanilla, but yeah. So I read an article. I was like, oh, well, I didn't notice, but that's sad.
Yeah. Well, we like in my house, the people like the Reese's.
I know. It is an indulgence I have not let go of, but it's just the one.
I can't do peanuts, so.
Oh.
Not me.
Okay.
Not me.
Well, that's okay.
And dairy milk is a bad idea too, so that's cool.
They're finding out all kinds of things.
It's a 2-for-1 bad idea. Yeah, no, I only eat fancy candy bars from Whole Foods now.
Oh, can you eat the Justin's, the almond butter ones?
I might be able to. I have to look and see if the dark chocolate has milk in it.
I don't know, but those are so good.
I haven't had one of those in a way long time. Maybe I'll peek that out.
Yeah, those are good. Hey, Justin's, why don't you want to sponsor us?
Hey, Justin, bring it on.
Send us a few samples.
We will shout out Justin's all day long.
Alrighty.
So, what are we talking about today?
As many of you know, Heather and I are huge proponents of quality essential oils and essential oil infused products.
We're oily ladies.
We are oily ladies. People who don't use essential oils make no frankincense. Ba-dum-bum. Okay, that was awful.
That was what I giggled.
I know you did.
LOL'd.
You did LOL. So
hashtag LOL.
We don't talk about it a ton on here because we want this to be a podcast about all things living for real. And essential oils are part of that, but we use them every day to keep us, quote unquote, above the wellness line because we want to be FDA compliant. Of course, we both only use Young Living products because we believe that they honor the plants. And we've been to some of the farms to see how they do things. Their seed to seal guarantee is not just a slogan. It's an awesome assurance that they're getting top quality product in each and every bottle. And sometimes that means things have to change to ensure top quality standards are met all of the time.
And as an aside, I would just like to mention that the entire company is completely transparent with everything. Mm-hmm. They're growing quality, they're processing plants, how things work, what they do. So
their office buildings.
There's never any question to, how did this get in my bottle and what's really in here and can I trust the ingredients?
Yeah, but you can go to any of the farms, you can go to any of the office buildings and talk to people. They're very open and transparent, and we love that. So why are we talking about this stuff? Well, in order to have top quality standards all the time, it means that sometimes things have to change so that they can either let the plants regrow or they can buy new land to plant new things. So the Premium Starter Kit, or we call it lovingly the PSK, it is a package of all the things you need to get started on your wellness journey. It includes your choice of diffuser, a set of the most useful essential oils, along with several coveted samples that we all love and treasure. But because almost all new members start with one of the PSKs, sometimes their contents need to change to keep up with the high demand. But fear not, as products change, the target results, or what they call the constituents, stay the same. So while they trade things out, they trade products out for things that are going to get you either to the same place or to nearly the same place. But that means you're always going to get the highest quality products for the most well-rounded result.
Yay.
I know.
So what are the changes?
I'm glad you asked.
Thank you.
So Copaiba Vitality is out due to supply constraints. So Copaiba, so fun to say. Copaiba.
I love Copaiba.
Isn't it fun?
Fiesta Copaiba.
It does sound like Fiesta.
Does.
Well, it's a tree from South America. Its resin is steam distilled to get the oil that we love. It's generally used as an enhancing oil. And by that, I mean, if you add it to other oils, it enhances the properties of those oils that you're trying to get. But due to FDA regulations, we can't go into a lot of details about that. So we highly recommend that you use your Google machine to do some research on your own or contact us offline.
But we're telling you all about the amazing stuff that is Copaiba, which is now no longer in the starter kit, but you can still buy it. Don't worry.
Right. So in order to allow the trees some time to repopulate responsibly, they've removed it for the time being. To replace it, though, they've added 2 new oils.
Wow, a 2-for-1.
A twofer. Valor and Peace and Calming are back.
No way. Those are super amazing.
I know, and super expensive, but
they are pricey oils, I'll tell you.
Not when you get them in the kit. Valor is their unique blend of black spruce, blue tansy, camphor wood, geranium, and frankincense. It's got kind of a woodsy grounding aroma that's great for massages. It also is good if you're anxious about something. You take a nice swig of that and huff of that.
Like, whoa, wait.
That's not a Vitality. Don't drink that one.
You meant sniff.
Yeah, you smell that one. And it gives you nice grounding overall. Like it's kind of an armor. That's why they call it Valor. Makes you feel strong, like you can do anything.
And you know what I like about Valor is it's not a girly, flowery scent. So if you want to rub some on your hand, that's okay too.
Yeah, they mellow out that geranium a bit. And then Peace and Calming does exactly what it says.
Love it.
It's a gentle, sweet blend of ylang ylang, orange, tangerine, patchouli, and blue tansy. And I know some of you go, ooh, patchouli. But no, our patchouli is so nice. It's so mellow. It's not that offensive. Like
you do not feel like you're in San Francisco in the 60s.
You'll love this guy during your children's or your pet's bedtime. And for yourself after the house is kind of settled down.
Yes.
Fairly so smart though, too smart for her own good. She knows now if she can smell it coming, she runs outside because she knows that we've gotten it out to keep her calm because she's into her little spazoid. Yeah. So we have to kind of sneak up on her.
That's fun.
I know. Right. They've also added a 1-ounce Thieves waterless hand purifier. So those are great to throw in your purse or your briefcase for, cleansing on the go.
They're awesome. I love that stuff.
Isn't it awesome? And it doesn't have any of the gross stuff that the other brands have.
No.
Just leave it at that. But you want to know the best part, Heather?
What? What's the best part?
By upping the PSK from 11 to 12 oils plus the hand purifier, they've only raised the price by $5.
What?
I know.
That's nuts.
I know. So you can get all of that plus a sample of the Thieves household cleaner.
Oh my gosh, the best.
2 samples of the Ningxia Red plus product guide plus all of that for just $165. This is starting.
That's awesome. And what is it? It's over $400 value.
Something like that. It's crazy.
I mean, it is crazy. And then the best part is you get your 24% discount for life once you buy your kit.
Plus, you get more of Heather and me.
Oh my gosh. Could you handle any more? I think you could try.
So we'll put a link in the show notes, of course, where you can get your starter kit and
go get one. Join us on our oily ride.
I know. It'll help you get rid of remember we talked about those icky candles? In fact, I think that's our ditch and switch for the week.
Okay.
We've said it on many podcasts before, and I know we'll probably say it in many more to come, but ditch those toxic candles, man. Especially those ones made from China. They're made from
tell me what's in them because yes,
and petroleum. And I know that paraffin, it has this weird, it's a spa product. It's a byproduct of petroleum, people. It's not good for you. Stop using it.
They make it from gasoline. Yeah, that's beautiful for your skin.
Right? So ditch those. Ditch your body products loaded with hormone disrupting parabens and phthalates and get yourself a PSK with a diffuser so you can make your home smell just as nice, if not better. And you won't miss the headaches and debilitating health consequences. We promise.
Yay.
Check out the show notes to get yours today. By the way, we give out fun thank you gifts to all our new members.
Yay.
Plus, we offer tons of training opportunities. So if you want to learn more on how to make all your own stuff, you will love it. So that's it for this week. Don't forget to sign up for our newsletter at foodmoose.com. Find us at Foodmoose on Facebook and Insta and Pinterest. Also, please subscribe if you haven't already. It helps other people find the podcast and have fun with us. Love it if you wrote us a review where we found this: Apple Podcasts, Google Play, Stitcher. Okay, everybody, as we promised, we've got a contest for you. Here's Heather with all the details.
Oh, guys, this is so exciting. Everyone who rates us and writes us a review of the podcast on any platform that you listen to us on by March 31st will be entered into our amazing Food Moose contest. We're going to read our favorites on air, so you'll get yourself a little shout out. And we're going to have an awesome prize package. So included in the prize package, there will be an exclusive customized Food Moose t-shirt, a sampling of our favorite essential oil goodies, and a guest appearance on the podcast. So you can be hanging out with us one day. This is open to our U.S. residents only, so sorry about that, neighbors to the north, but we look forward to hearing from you. How exciting.
And if you've already written us a review in the past, send us a screenshot and we'll make sure that you get entered as well, because we want everyone to play.
Yay!
Yay! Okay, so you've got till March 31st. Get on it, people. So with that, from both of us, go forth, be real. Moose out.